Open the door and remove the existing handles. Put a key into the cylinder and then remove its retaining screw from the side of the door. Once removed, turn the key slightly and pull to remove the cylinder. Insert the actuator into the door with the tail bar side facing the inside. Insert and then tighten the retaining screw. Insert the 2 spring cassettes into the external handle. Flip the external handle to the correct side for your door, and then insert the spindle bar. Screw the fixing lug into the sliding nut in the top of the handle. Be careful not to over-tighten. Carefully pass the spindle and cable through the outside of the door. Use your screwdriver to position the top and bottom fixing lugs through the existing holes in your door. Holding the external handle in place, carefully feed the cable and spindle bar through the backplate. Use the fixing screws to fix the backplate on the inside of the door to the external handle. Do not fully tighten yet. Use the alignment tool to ensure that the distance between the actuator and spindle bar is correct. At this point, you will also need to ensure that the backplate and external handle are straight. Once everything is aligned, fully hand tighten the backplate screws. Be careful not to damage the cable when tightening the bottom screw. You can now remove the alignment tool. Remove the top and bottom covers from the internal handle. Ensure the 2 thumb turn arrows are facing towards each other, and then carefully plug the cable's connector into the internal handle. Fix the internal handle to the backplate. Guide the spindle bar into the handle, and then slowly guide the handle into place. Ensure that the excess cable is tucked into the center cavity and that the tail bar goes into the thumb turn slot. Hand tighten the 5 internal handle fixing screws. Insert the module into the internal handle if it is not already in place. Insert the batteries. Fix the door sense magnet to the door frame, parallel to the orange module in the lock. Screw the battery cover into place. Be careful not to over-tighten. You can now begin setting your lockup on the Yale Home app by scanning the module QR code. Once scanned, you can clip the module cover in place. Once the lock is added to your app, you'll be taken through setting up the Wi-Fi bridge. Your lock is now installed.